Okay, so today welcome to our factory, and this is our factory building. Yes, you can see. Okay, so come on, please follow me to see what prizes are waiting for us. Let's go. Okay, so this time we come to our packaging workshop. Okay, and here is our aging room. Okay, so now we come to our QA room. Yes, this room is for testing the battery and inverter matching problem. Please come in and see how many finished products are stored in our warehouse. Yes, and all of the goods are well packaged by the dangerous packaging cartons. Okay, let's do a test. Yes, it is so strong enough. It is so strong enough because we have the certificates for these dangerous packaging cartons. You don't worry about the shipping problem and packaging problem. Okay, so hope next time we will stick your name on here as a shipping mark, then ship to your address. Yes, thank you.